solution of simultaneous equation by Cramer's rule. Consider the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, and a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. If the determinant of coefficient b delta equal to coefficient determinant a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3, then x delta x into delta equal to x into a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3. This equal to a1x, a2x, a3x, b1, b, c2, c3. Now applying c1, the operating c1 goes to c1 plus yc2 plus z c3. c1 coulomb is goes to c1, coulomb number 1 plus coulomb number 2 into y plus coulomb number 3 into z. We get a1x plus b1y plus c1z, b1 c1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to b2 c2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to, this quantity is d1, this quantity is equal to d2, and this quantity is d3 in next page. This equal to determinant d1, d2, d3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3, or x delta equal to d1, b1, c1, d2, b2, c2, d3, b3, c3, or x equal to d1, b1, c1, d2, b2, c2, d3, b3, c3 by delta is a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3. In short, we write is delta x by delta, or x equal to delta x by delta. Similarly, y equal to a1, a2, a3, d1, d2, d3, c1, c2, c3 by a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3, and this equal to delta y by delta, and z equal to delta z by delta, or y equal to delta y by delta. Now I solve one Cramer's rule problem. Problem 1. Apply Cramer's rule. Solve the equation. Question is 3x plus y plus 2z equal to 3. 2x minus 3y minus z equal to minus 3. X plus 2y plus z equal to 4. Answer. Here delta is determined by coefficient of x, y and z. Here x coefficient is 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Y coefficient is 1 minus 3, 2. 1 minus 3, 2. And coefficient of z is 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1 1, and expanding the determinant by row 1, expanding it by row 1, we get 3 minus 3 minus 1 2 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1 1 1, 2 minus 1 1 1, plus 2, 2 minus 3 1 2. This equal to 3 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 into plus 2, 2 into 2 4 plus 3 equal to 3 minus 2 minus 1, that means 3 into minus 1 into 3, 7, 2 into 7, minus 3 minus 6 plus 14 equal to 8. X equal to delta x by delta x equal to shifting the coefficient of x in 3 minus 3 4, that means 3 minus 3 4, 1 minus 3 2, 1 minus 3 2, 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 1, and delta is 1 by 8. This equal to 1 by 8, 3 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 4 1 plus 2 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 4 2. This equal to 1 by 8, 3 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus 4 plus 2 minus 6 plus 12. This equal to 1 by 8, minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, that means this equal to minus 3, 4 minus 3 1, this equal to minus 1, 12 minus 6 equal to 6 into 2, again 12, 12 minus 4 is 8, 1 by 8 into 8, this equal to 1, or x equal to 1. Y equal to delta y by delta y is 3 2 1, 3 minus 3 4 2 minus 1 1 divided by 8, and this becomes 2, and z equal to delta z by delta equal to 3 2 1 1 minus 3 2, and 3 minus 3 4 by 8, and this becomes minus 1. Here x equal to 1, y equal to 2, and z equal to minus 1, and this is answer. Solution of homogeneous linear equation. Form is a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to 0, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to 0. By Cramer's rule, previous rule, by Cramer's rule, x equal to delta x by delta. Here d1, d2, d3 are all 0, so 0 by delta, and similarly y equal to 0 by delta, and z equal to 0 by delta. If delta is 0, then the equation 1 have no other but the obvious solution is x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. Such a solution is known as a trivial solution. If delta is not equal to 0, then x equal to 0, y is also 0, z equal to 0 is a trivial solution. For a non-trivial solution, we must have delta equal to 0. One problem is x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 0, 2x plus y minus 4z equal to 0, x minus y plus z equal to 0. This is a homogeneous equation, has a non-trivial solution. And find these solutions. Answer. Here delta is 1, 2, 1. Coefficient of x, y and z minus 2, 1, minus 1, 3, minus 4, 1 equal to 1 into 1, 1, minus 1, minus 4, minus 2, 2 into 1, 2, 1 plus 4, 4 plus 3, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 1 into 1, minus 1, and this equal to 1 minus 4 minus 3, 2, 4, 6, 6 into 2, 12, 2 minus 1, 3, 3, 9, 9 minus 3, 12 minus 12 equal to 0. Delta is 0, so we get a non-trivial solution. Hence, the given equation possesses non-trivial solution. To find the solution, we take only two equations. Suppose 2x plus y minus 4z equal to 0 and x minus y plus z equal to 0. By cross multiplication we get x by 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4 again 1 x equal to 1 minus 4, y by 1 into minus 4 minus 4, 2 into 1 minus 2, z by 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 1 into 1 minus 1, or x by minus 3, y by minus 6, z by minus 3. Multiplying each by minus 3, we get x by 1, y by 2, z by 1. Therefore, x equal to z and y equal to 2z, which satisfy the first equation, x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 0, left hand side, x equal to z, y equal to 2z, plus 3z, z minus 4z plus 3z, 4z minus 4z equal to 0. So, for various values of z, we get x and y. different solution. So solution, let z is any real number t, then x equal to t and y equal to 2t, where t belongs to any real number. Answer.
If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to turn on bell icon to get the latest videos. Thank you for watching Math Tutorials for All. For any suggestion, please do comment on the video.